Hi Berry Bears, it's Miss Near here. I've made us a virtual art classroom and this week it's got the drawing studio open. So um, remember that we can draw what we choose to draw and we have an art choice board this week. So I want you to look anytime you see anything that's underlined here, except this is not, but anytime you see writing that's underlined like this, that means it's a link. So we're going to click on the Drawing Studio link here, see where it takes us. It took us into the Drawing Studio. And here we have the virtual Mrs. Near, and she's got some drawing prompt ideas for drawing things that we imagine from our imagination. We've got a choice board here for drawing what you see, and we've got a reference photo library for drawing what you see. So let's look at the choice board first. And look at this, we've got all these links that go to different places on the web that show you different tutorials of how to draw characters, mostly all the characters. And this will get you back to the main classroom page where you're watching this video. And this will get you back to the drawing studios. Let's go back there because we want to look at also the drawing prompts. Now this is going to take us outside, but notice we've got some cool drawing prompts. Draw what it would look like if it rained cats and dogs, if you lived on Mars, blah, blah, blah. You can read all those. What would it look like if robots took over the world or if you had a superpower? So there we go. There's our creative drawing prompt ideas. Get back. You have to find your Canvas course again. And here we go. That was our drawing prompts. And then reference photo library is really fun too. Make sure you click this button here for full screen because it makes it bigger. If you click on animals, you're going to go to the animals and you can go to next page. Next page, you can just keep looking at the different animals. And when you get finished with that, go back to find one you like. You could draw it. Go back to the title page. There are cars, sports, buildings and cities, reference photos, flowers, landscapes, fantasy, and people. There's a lot of different ones in here. So you can click to go to the next page of the sections. And when there are no more sections of flowers, you can go back to the title page and find a different one. Anyway, all these are good ideas for you of things to draw. Always press ESC to get out of that. And then find your Canvas course again. And now you've seen everything that's in our Drawing Center Studio that can help you. Remember that you know what artists draw, what they see, observation, what they remember from their memory, what they imagine from their imagination, what they feel, their expression, or marks on a page, non-objective. So you can really pick any of these things to draw this week. You can use the How to Draw choice board, you can use the reference photo library, you can use the drawing prompts, you decide, okay? I can't wait to see what you've done. Now, this virtual classroom doesn't have anywhere for you to share, so you'll have to hit the word modules and find the drawing, how to draw discussion module to turn in your art this week. I can't wait to see it. And we'll talk to you later, Berry Bears. Bye.